You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this Sino-Korean character, and it's also a name from Korean, used in South Korea, might be used in Chinese as well. Pronunciation, local pronunciation is as Hyo. Hyo. I've heard it said Hyo. It might be the English pronunciation actually, Hyo, but in Korean, Hyo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.